Welcome back to MS Easy IELTS 8.8. Today we're tackling a very modern and super common topic for 2025, text messages.
That's right. It sounds simple, but examiners are looking for your ability to use precise vocabulary. Let's start. How often do you send text messages?
To be honest, I'm constantly glued to my phone, so I'm sending messages round the clock. Whether it's via WhatsApp or Telegram, texting has become my primary mode of communication. It's just so much more convenient than a phone call.
I couldn't agree more. Is sending messages popular in your country?
Oh, it's absolutely pervasive. It's rare to see anyone, from teenagers to the elderly, not typing away on their screens. I'd say it has almost entirely supplanted traditional phone calls for casual conversations.
Interesting. And did you send more messages when you were younger?
Actually, I'd say it was the opposite. Back in my formative years, we were much more limited by character counts and high costs per SMS. Now, with instant messaging apps, I'm far more prolific in my texting habits than I ever was as a child.
That's a great point. Now, here's a tricky one. Do you reply to messages as soon as you receive them?
It depends. If it's a work-related query, I try to be as prompt as possible. However, if I'm in the middle of something important, I might leave people on read for a while. I prefer to give a thoughtful reply rather than a hasty one-word answer.
Leave someone on read. What a perfect modern idiom for IELTS.
Exactly. It's all about using relevant, natural language.
That's it for today's breakdown. How about you? Are you a prompt replier, or do you take your time? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe to MS Easy IELTS 8.8 for more Band 8.8 tips. See you in the next one.